let me show you some new features which we have prepared for you in September 2025. If you go to the page offers, you see a new button, new AI offer. First, you have to select countries that are visited during this trip. You can also, if you don't see your country here, you can contact us, so we will add the country, or you can proceed without selecting a country, but in this case the AI will not be able to add pictures to your offer. So you can select up to 10 countries. That should be enough for any trip. Also make sure that the output language and output currency, the currency of your offer and the language of your offer are selected correctly. If you choose another language, not the same as in the provided file, the AI will just translate everything to this language. So this is not the language of the file that you upload here, this is the offer language, so the language in which the final offer will be created. And you can upload a file in PDF or Word, or if you have an itinerary on your web page, not as in any other kind of format, not in PDF or Word, then you can just copy the text of the itinerary and paste it here as a text. It will take about 1 minute for AI to create the offer, and you will have it here. It will be marked as created with AI, and like this one. It will have main picture, it will have bullet points, highlights of the trip, short description, and if you go to each day, it will have a picture of the day, which is also a new feature in our itinerary. To every day you can add one big picture and also some text description of the day. So this AI adds it automatically, but you can also add those day pictures manually, or day descriptions, and it will make your itinerary look much better, especially if you don't have many elements with pictures for this day. Like, for example, if we look here for the day 2, the AI couldn't find any elements with pictures in this account or in our database, so it just wrote everything, the titles and descriptions, but there are no pictures. But the day picture makes this day still look, this day in the itinerary still look pretty interesting. You can check how it looks from the phone. From the phone it will also look very nice, because this will be a full screen picture. Alright. What happens with the prices? The AI will not calculate the price, of course, for you, but if elements have prices, if the elements that AI add to the account have prices, and AI prioritizes elements from your account, which are here in library elements, if it doesn't find something, it can take elements from our content database. Here we have, for several countries, we have a lot of elements with pictures and descriptions, so AI will use those. And prices, if your elements have prices in them, the AI would add those prices. So all you need to do is just go through them and adjust the quantity of prices. However, in this case, the AI didn't find any suited elements with prices for this itinerary, as I see it, but it still added prices for day 1 and day 6. The net price is 0 because it took those prices from the file that I have uploaded. So like here, this optional beautiful Bergen walk, there was a price in the file, it added price, and also here there was a price in the file, and AI just moved this price into the itinerary. So by default, this price will be written like this, and the net will be, of course, 0 because AI doesn't know what markup is it here. But you can adjust it here. Like for example, you know that there is you earn 10% on this. Let it like this. Now you have a net price for this. AI also writes the text from the file, the list of everything that is included and the list of everything that is not included. And by default it will be hidden pricing model. So you and AI by default will also transfer all the trip price information from the file or from the copied text into here. So you see the trip prices. There's no calculation how this price is calculated, but it transfers everything from the file into our system. So if you have a ready-made itinerary, you just want it to be mobile friendly, or you want to make some adjustments, which is not easy to do in PDF or Word file, you can just convert it into our system and then do all the necessary adjustments and connect client by clicking this button and go on. What else can you do now with our new cool features? If you go, for example, into any day and you see that there are no pictures for some places, but you want to add those pictures fast, you can also do it. You'll be able to select pictures from free photo stocks. I know that there probably will be no pictures for the photo stocks for some small islands in Norway, so let's select something which is more popular, like for example a ferry across North Fjord. So we click on this button and we need to enter location, North Fjord, Norway. We can either keep our text or change it with AI. So as you see, the text here was originally very simple, cross North Fjord to North Fjord date, so we can actually change the description with AI, but we can keep our title. Or you can keep all the information that you have, not change it. So you see, AI got us pretty decent description of North Fjord. And you need to select some pictures. When you're selecting pictures, be careful that actually some pictures could be from a different place. So if there are no pictures from the right fjord, for example, on the stock can sometimes try to pitch you with a picture of just any fjord. So sometimes you need to know the place. I'll show you a trick. So first of all, look at the descriptions, and the descriptions can actually explain you the place. So here we see it's North Fjord. Okay, so that's great. We can choose this picture as the main one. Well, this one I don't really know. Maybe let's not select it. How can you also check if the picture is from the right place? You can open it full screen, and then if you are using Google Chrome, if you click on the place where you have address bar, you will see a button in the new Google Chrome. It's Ask Google about this page. It's an icon of Google Lens. So if you select it, you are able to please choose the picture, and the Google's AI Gemini will describe you this place, and you can see that this is actually Geiranger Fjord, not the North Fjord. So we do not select this picture. Alright, so we have one picture anyway, and you can upload pictures from your desktop by using this button. You can also add supply information if you need, add trip information. Trip information is the information that you can activate for your clients after they book the trip. You can also make a one-click translation with AI. And the AI selects a category and subcategory, but sometimes doesn't. So, like, if you want a subcategory for the future, You can select it here, like river, lake, fjord, or you just can keep it empty. That's up to you. When you click save, what happens? This picture is automatically added to your itinerary here in the right place. Very cross-note short, so it's that easy. And at the same time, also an element is created in your library. You can go to edit this element by clicking here, or if you go to library elements, you will see that this element is here, very cross-note short. So when you will be creating next itinerary with AI or manually, this element could be used. AI will use it if it will suit the itinerary. Now you can use it manually. So those new features, they really help you fill in your account with the content, and not with any kind of content, but the content you actually want it to be. You can remove, by the way, the day picture if it's not the one you like. Sometimes it could be a picture from the wrong location. It will be the picture from the same country, but as I said, sometimes AI can make some mistakes, and here, for example, there was a picture, I have deleted it because it was from the wrong fjord. But most of the pictures will be from the correct locations. That's it for this feature. And if you go to requests, you also see a new button next to each request. If you click on the button, you have two options to create with AI. So if you're creating with AI, choose the start date. You can let AI write your own title of the offer, or if you click a checkbox here, then the title of this request will be used as the title of the offer. And give as good, as detailed instructions as you can for AI, and it will influence the quality of the output result. So describe cities visited during the trip. Make sure you have a trip duration here specified. You can add any information here the same way you would tell it to Travel Manager what to do. The AI at this point will not choose the right accommodation for you from some outside sources, but if you have elements with accommodation created in your content library, in your page with the elements, then the AI will pull in those accommodations also here. The same goes to anything like a car rental, for example. If you have examples of rental cars, it will pull them into this offer. And second, and of course, don't forget to choose countries. So it's the same way as work the same way as at the other page. Another option is to create offer manually. You select this radio button, and if you don't have an example which you want to use, you just select a start date and write the title that you want, and make sure that the language, currency, and number of adults and children are correct. And then after clicking the button create, you will get a new offer which you can go and then start filling in with elements. But you can also select the example which you would like to change. So it works the same way as if you just go into offer page or trip page and find the one you need and click on copy or clone. But with this way, if you know the exact name or the number, or if you know the client name, you can actually select this example, and this way, when you will create this new offer, it will have the already client and request attached to it. That's it for this update, and I'll be in touch with you with new updates.